Hi everyone, welcome to my first mini review, real world review. And today we're going to take a look at the Mous Limitless 2 case for the iPhone. Thanks for watching. So here's the Mous Limitless 2 phone case. Mine is a wood effect on an iPhone XS Max. I had this case, I've got this case since I got the phone, which is just under a year ago. And I think I paid somewhere in the region of £50 to £60 from Amazon. And it came with a screen protector as well. The screen protector is not a tempered glass type, but it's also not the flimsy plastic film. It's somewhere in between. And I have to say, after 1 year of being on this phone, it's very hard wearing. There's hardly a mark on it. And it's by far the best screen protector I've ever used. So onto the case itself, it fits very, very well to the phone. I've never had any problems with it falling out, coming loose or anything like that. All the cutaways, etc. for the buttons, the speakers, the covered power button, the cover volume buttons, the camera cutout, they're all done to precision. They're all high quality. There's no sharp edges. And they're not obstructive of any chunky connectors you might want to use. The wood effect finish on the one I chose is high quality. I think it might be real wood. It's scuffed a bit with keys, etc. in the pockets, stony beaches, whatnot. But that's to be expected. But overall, for a case that's been on a phone that I use for hours and hours every day and take with me everywhere, for a year, I'd say durability and finish, this is an incredibly high quality product. So to remove the phone from its case is actually quite difficult. You have to push quite hard on the back of the cameras on the phone and prise it out. And I've just woken Siri up. So looking at the inside of the case, you can see the proprietary Mous shock absorbing material there. You've got a SIM removal tool holding slot, and you've got a micro SIM slot up the top as well. So if you carry around a second SIM card, you can store it in the back of the case nice and securely. It's quite a rigid case. It's like a rubberized plastic material. It's not soft plastic and it's not very flexible. This is designed to protect your phone. And as you've seen from many other YouTube reviews, I'm sure, people like to take this case onto the top of a bridge or somewhere high up and launch it, which I suppose I'm gonna show you something along those lines now, but more real world. I'm gonna take it outside and drop it from like hand holding height, waist height, onto a concrete floor, and I certainly hope my phone will live. It lives, so that's a good result. Phone is obviously still in perfect working order. Screen protector's all good. Just a few scratches and bumps around the corners of the case. Nothing major, which means it's done its job. One last thing to talk about. I've also got the in-car adapter holder for this case. It's a really low profile magnetic mount that either clips onto a vent or goes self-adhesive onto your dashboard. It's fantastic quality, looks good, low profile and really secure. It sticks to the magnets in the back of this, just like that. And it's never come off once in the year I've had it in my car. The magnets in the back of this don't affect the wireless charging either. I wireless charge this every night by the side of my bed and I've not had one problem yet. So that rounds up my my very first mini review. I hope you liked it, and this case, the Mous Limitless 2, gets a 10 out of 10 from me. If you're serious about protecting your phone, go and buy one.